Guys, welcome to this video. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can swap new listed coins on pancake swap using trust wallet. So what you have to do first is make sure you have your trust wallet installed. So what you need to do is go to Play Store and search for trust wallet. Okay, and you install it if you've not installed that already. Now I have installed that, so I'm going to open it. Now once you open trust wallet, make sure you have BNB. Okay, BNB smart chain. You have some BNB smart chain in there in your account. Now I have 0.05, which is equivalent to about $26 of BNB smart chain in my account. So I'm going to use that to do the swap. Now if you don't have any BNB, you can go to Binance and buy some BNB and transfer it into your account. Okay, so you can visit Binance and do that. Now I have BNB smart chain already, so let's get started with the swap. Now what I'll do is I would need to get the smart contract of the coin I want to buy. So what I'll do is I'll go to CoinMarketCap and find the coin that I want to buy. I'm going to search for it. So here I go. I'll click on search icon. So I'll click on the search icon and I'm going to search for that coin. Okay, I'm going to search for BTC Token. That's what I'm going to buy. So this is the coin BTC Token. I'll click on it. Now once I press on BTC Token, I'll scroll down and copy the smart contracts down here. So it says address copied. Okay, now after that I'll go back to my trust wallet and click dapps. Now this one this dapps over here works on only Android for now. It's not on iOS. Okay, so if you are on iOS, you are not going to see this dapps. Now if you are on Android, click on this dapps. And now if you're an Android user, I'm going to upload another video explaining to you how you can do this. Okay, so click on dapps and click on pancake swap here, or you can scroll through to find the pancake swap and you click on pancake swap. Okay, now if you open pancake swap for the first time, you may want to connect your wallet. You will see connect wallet here, so you click connect wallet and you select trust wallet. Okay, now this is not my first time, so I'm not going to see that. Now once you are here, click on this settings icon here next to the exchange and make sure this one is at instant. Okay, then you come to the slippage, then you type in 20 or 10. Now let's use 20 for this video. If it does not work, we will have to change it. Okay, then I'll type in the amount of BNB I want to spend. So I would like to spend 0.035 BNB. Then I'll click the currency. Okay, and I'm going to paste the smart contract address here. And I'm going to import BTC Token. Okay, so I'll click import. and I'll tick I understand and import. Okay, so this swap, I'm going to get this number of BTC tokens. So I'll press swap here and I'll confirm swap. Now I'll have to approve the transaction, and yes, the transaction has been submitted. Okay, so what I have to do is go to my Trust wallet here, and I'm going to add the BTC token. So I'll click on this symbol on my top right here. This one here. Okay, and I'm going to search for BTC token. It's not there. Okay, so again I'll paste my smart contract. It's not there. BTC token, it should be here. Okay, let's paste the address again and see. Okay, so now since it's not showing, let's press add custom token. Okay, and we are going to change the network to smart chain. Okay, so now once we have smart chain, we paste our contract, and there we are. We click done or press done at the top right here. Okay, so if we go to, I think I got about 300 billion tokens of BTC. Okay, so if I come to my dashboard, that's what I've been doing. I've been buying some should I say shit coins or newly added coins. Okay, using Trust wallet. I just keep swapping them. So that's it. That is it for this video. Bye bye.